What if our entire reality is just a computer simulation? This isn't a line from a science fiction movie, it's a serious question that philosophers and scientists are asking. The idea, known as the simulation hypothesis, is both fascinating and a little unsettling. Imagine a future where technology is so advanced that we can create realistic simulations of entire universes. These simulations wouldn't just be games, they would be so detailed that the simulated beings inside would believe their world is real. Could we be living in one of those simulations right now? It might sound crazy, but some very smart people think it's a real possibility. Let's explore this mind-bending idea and see what evidence there is to support it. The simulation hypothesis argues that it's possible, even likely, that we are living in a computer simulation created by a more advanced civilization. This idea has been around for a while, but it gained a lot of attention when Oxford philosopher Nick Bostrom wrote a paper about it in 2003. Bostrom's argument is based on probability. He suggests that if civilizations continue to advance technologically, they will eventually have the power to create incredibly realistic simulations. If even a small fraction of these civilizations create ancestor simulations, simulations of their own past, then the number of simulated universes would vastly outnumber the number of real ones. This means that, statistically speaking, it's more likely that we are living in a simulation than in the original real universe. Even Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, has said that he believes there's a good chance we're living in a simulation. So, what evidence is there to support this mind-blowing idea? Some people point to advancements in technology, particularly in the fields of virtual reality and artificial intelligence.
Virtual reality is becoming increasingly realistic, blurring the lines between the digital world and the physical world. If our technology continues to advance at this rate, it's not hard to imagine a future where simulations are indistinguishable from reality.
Furthermore, quantum mechanics, the study of the very small, suggests that the universe might be fundamentally information-based. Some physicists believe that reality itself might be made up of bits of information, just like a computer program.
Section 4. The limits of our knowledge.
Another argument in favor of the simulation hypothesis is the fact that our understanding of the universe is still very limited. We don't know what caused the Big Bang, what dark matter and dark energy are, or whether there are other universes out there. It's possible that the answers to these questions lie beyond the limits of our current understanding of physics.
Perhaps our simulated universe is governed by rules that we don't yet comprehend. If we are living in a simulation, it would mean that there are limits to what we can learn about the true nature of reality. Our understanding of physics and cosmology would be limited by the parameters of the simulation itself. Section 5. Life in a simulated world. What does it mean?
The simulation hypothesis raises some profound philosophical and ethical questions. If our reality is not real, then what does it mean to be alive? Do we have free will, or are our actions predetermined by the simulation's code? If there are beings outside the simulation who created us, what are their motivations? Are they benevolent creators, or are we simply pawns in their cosmic game? These questions challenge our fundamental understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe.
The simulation hypothesis also has ethical implications. If we are living in a simulation, it's possible that our actions have no real consequences. This could lead to a sense of moral relativism, where anything goes because nothing truly matters.
Section 6. Are we simulated? The question remains.
So, are we living in a computer simulation? The truth is, we don't know. There's no definitive proof to confirm or deny the simulation hypothesis. It remains a fascinating thought experiment that forces us to confront the limits of our knowledge and the nature of reality itself. What do you think? Do you believe we are living in a simulation?